Welcome to Live Well Insights, where we explore the profound science behind regaining your vibrant health and restoring your natural beauty. Many women over 60 face the silent struggle of thinning hair, feeling a loss of identity with every falling strand. This condition is often dismissed as just aging, but science reveals it is a biological puzzle we can solve. Today, we dive deep into the insights of Dr. William Li to uncover the 4 essential nutrients for restoration. We will explore biotin, iron, vitamin D, and omega-3, the 4 pillars that can rebuild your hair from within. Just as a garden needs specific fertilizers to bloom, your scalp requires precise ingredients to cultivate new, healthy growth. Restoring your hair is not about expensive chemical treatments, but about feeding your body what it has been missing. Nutrient deficiencies cause follicles to shrink and sleep, but the right combination can wake them up effectively and safely. Let us begin with the first critical element, biotin, also known as vitamin B7, the fundamental builder of hair. Biotin acts as the master architect, helping your body process proteins to construct the physical structure of every strand. Since hair is made of keratin protein, biotin is essential for maintaining the integrity and strength of this structure. Without enough biotin, the hair shaft becomes weak, brittle, and prone to snapping before it reaches full length. You can find this nutrient in nature, specifically in egg yolks, almonds, cauliflower, and sweet potatoes for daily support. However, diet alone may not be enough for therapeutic results, especially when trying to reverse significant hair thinning. Dr. Li suggests that supplementation is often necessary to reach the therapeutic levels required for noticeable hair regrowth. The recommended dosage for hair restoration typically ranges from 2,500 to 5,000 micrograms per day. Taking this supplement daily can help thicken the hair shaft and improve the overall texture of your aging hair. Consistency is key, as biotin works slowly to strengthen the new growth emerging from your scalp over several months. Beyond hair, you will likely notice your fingernails becoming stronger and your skin looking more radiant and youthful. It is important to know that high doses of biotin can interfere with certain lab tests, including thyroid checks. Always inform your doctor that you are taking biotin before undergoing any blood work to ensure accurate medical results. Patience is your ally here, as hair grows slowly and biotin needs time to accumulate and show effects. The first sign of success is often the appearance of fine baby hairs along your hairline or parting area. Now we move to the second pillar, a vital mineral that powers the very life force of your hair. Iron is the essential transporter responsible for carrying life-giving oxygen to every single cell in your body.
Your hair follicles are some of the most metabolically active cells, demanding a constant and rich supply of oxygen. Iron deficiency is incredibly common in women and is a leading, yet often overlooked, cause of hair loss. When iron stores, known as ferritin, drop too low, the body prioritizes vital organs and cuts supply to hair. Starved of oxygen, the hair follicle goes into survival mode, stops growing, and eventually sheds the hair strand. To combat this, incorporate iron-rich foods like lean red meats, spinach, lentils, and organ meats into your diet. However, dietary iron can be difficult for the body to absorb, especially as our digestion changes with age. Before taking iron supplements, it is crucial to get a blood test to measure your specific ferritin levels. Too much iron can be toxic and dangerous, so supplementation should always be guided by a medical professional. There is a secret to maximizing iron absorption. Always pair your iron-rich foods or supplements with vitamin C. Vitamin C creates an acidic environment that transforms iron into a form your body can easily absorb and utilize. Simply drinking a glass of orange juice with your meal can significantly boost the amount of iron you absorb. As your iron levels return to optimal range, you will notice less shedding and a return of your energy. The terrifying clumps of hair in the shower drain will diminish as your follicles receive the oxygen they need. We now turn our attention to the sunshine nutrient, a hormone-like vitamin that is critical for new growth. Vitamin D is not just a vitamin, it is a steroid hormone that plays a direct role in hair cycling. It is responsible for stimulating old follicles and helping to create entirely new pores for hair to grow through. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at converting sunlight into vitamin D, leading to widespread deficiency. Studies show that most women over 60 are deficient, which directly contributes to hair thinning and immune weakness. Without adequate levels of this vitamin, the hair growth cycle is disrupted and follicles remain in the resting phase. While you can get some vitamin D from fatty fish, mushrooms, and fortified foods, diet is rarely enough. Supplementation is almost always necessary for older adults to reach the optimal levels needed for hair regrowth. Dr. Lee recommends a daily dosage of 1,000 to 2,000 international units to maintain healthy levels. Since vitamin D is fat-soluble, always take it with a meal containing healthy fats to ensure maximum absorption. Restoring vitamin D also boosts your immune system, which prevents autoimmune responses that can sometimes attack hair follicles. Safe sun exposure is beneficial, but relying on supplements ensures you get the consistent dosage your hair needs. A healthy scalp environment, fostered by vitamin D, reduces inflammation and creates the perfect bed for hair roots.
With consistent intake, you may notice your hair feeling denser and seeing new sprouts where it was thinning. Our final nutritional pillar comes from the depths of the ocean, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent for your scalp. Omega-3 fatty acids are arguably the most potent tool we have to fight inflammation and improve circulation. Chronic inflammation is a primary reason why hair follicles shrink and die, a process accelerated by aging. Omega-3s work to soothe this inflammation and dilate blood vessels, delivering a rush of nutrients to the scalp. Rich sources include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as plant sources like walnuts and flax seeds. For therapeutic effects, a high-quality fish oil or algae supplement is often recommended to ensure adequate daily intake. These healthy fats also lubricate the hair shaft and scalp, preventing the dryness and brittleness common in menopause. If you suffer from a dry, itchy scalp, omega-3s can provide relief from the inside out, hydrating your skin. Improved circulation means that all the other nutrients we discussed, biotin, iron, vitamin D, can actually reach the hair root. Omega-3 acts as the facilitator, ensuring that the entire nutritional system works efficiently to support hair growth. When selecting a supplement, look for purity certifications to avoid heavy metals often found in low-quality fish oils. If you are on blood-thinning medication, consult your doctor, as omega-3s have a natural blood-thinning effect. Incorporating these fatty acids into your daily routine is a powerful step toward reclaiming your hair's thickness. But nutrition is only part of the equation. Your lifestyle habits must also support this biological restoration. Hydration is critical. Hair cells are the fastest growing cells and require water to function and divide. Managing stress is equally important, as high cortisol levels can force hair follicles into a resting state. Treat your hair like fine silk, brush gently, avoid tight hairstyles, and minimize heat styling to prevent breakage. Quality sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate, so prioritize a good night's rest for hair health. Remember the formula: biotin to build, iron to transport, vitamin D to awaken, and omega-3 to protect. By combining these nutrients with a healthy lifestyle, you can turn back the clock on hair loss. You deserve to feel confident and beautiful at every age, and your body has the power to heal. Start your journey today, consult with your doctor, and give your hair the nourishment it is crying out for. Thank you for watching Live Well Insights 19. Please subscribe for more health wisdom and start your journey to better hair today. Let us take a closer look at the microscopic miracle happening within your scalp when these nutrients combine. Imagine a river of gold and red, delivering the building blocks of life directly to the root of your hair.
This internal nourishment is far more powerful than any external shampoo or serum you could ever buy. Empower yourself with knowledge, reading labels, and choosing foods that serve your body's specific needs for regeneration. Cooking methods matter too. Steaming or baking helps preserve the delicate vitamins and fatty acids in your food. Dr. Lee emphasizes that small, consistent changes in your diet accumulate to produce massive results over time. Do not get discouraged if you do not see changes in a week. True biological repair takes months. Document your progress with photos, as gradual changes can be hard to notice day by day in the mirror. Share this knowledge with your friends, as many women suffer in silence not knowing there is a solution. Snacking on pumpkin or sunflower seeds is an easy way to boost your intake of hair-loving minerals. Green tea is another excellent addition, packed with antioxidants that protect hair follicles from environmental damage and aging. Conversely, reducing sugar and processed foods prevents inflammation that can counteract all your good nutritional work. Sugar spikes insulin, which can disrupt hormones and increase inflammation, directly attacking the health of your hair follicles. Regular movement keeps your blood flowing, ensuring that the nutrients you eat are delivered to your scalp.
Topical stimulation, perhaps with rosemary oil, can work synergistically with your internal nutrition to speed up results. Balancing your nutrition helps balance your hormones, addressing the root cause of menopausal hair thinning and loss. The return of your hair often brings a profound return of self-esteem and a renewed zest for life. Dr. Lee's philosophy is simple. Use food as medicine to activate your body's innate health defense systems. Recalling biotin. It builds the keratin infrastructure, making sure each strand is tough and resilient against breakage. Recalling iron. It fuels the energy of the follicle, preventing the suffocation that leads to premature shedding. Recalling vitamin D. It wakes up the sleepers, triggering the cycle of regeneration and new hair formation. Recalling omega-3. It calms the fire of inflammation, creating a fertile and hydrated environment for growth. Keep a journal of your intake to ensure you are consistently hitting these 4 pillars every single day. More is not always better. Stick to the recommended dosages to avoid toxicity and ensure safety for your body. If you are unsure about interactions with your current medications, a quick consultation with your doctor is essential. Imagine the feeling of running your fingers through your hair and feeling thickness instead of seeing your scalp. That reality is achievable, not through magic, but through the disciplined application of nutritional science and self-care. Nature has provided us with everything we need. We simply have to learn how to use it. Organize your supplements so you never miss a dose, making it a seamless part of your morning routine. Every morning is a new opportunity to nourish your body and step closer to the hair you desire. Hair grows about ½ an inch per month, so celebrate the small victories as they add up over time. Soon, others will start to notice the difference, asking you what your secret is to such vibrant aging. Be the one to share the secret, helping other women in your circle navigate the challenges of menopause. Your health is your greatest wealth, and the state of your hair is often a reflection of your inner vitality. Do not forget legumes. Beans are affordable superfoods packed with protein, iron, and biotin all in one package. Eat the rainbow. Diverse colors in your diet ensure a wide range of phytonutrients that support overall cell health. Deep breathing exercises can lower stress hormones instantly, protecting your hair follicles from the damaging effects of cortisol. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep to allow your body the time it needs to repair tissues. Protect your hair from UV damage physically with hats, just as you protect your skin from the sun. Choose gentle, sulfate-free shampoos that cleanse without stripping the natural oils your scalp works so hard to produce. Condition only the ends of your hair to avoid clogging the follicles at the scalp with heavy products. If you must use a dryer, use the cool setting to prevent heat damage to the fragile new growth. Regular trims remove split ends, preventing them from traveling up the hair shaft and causing more breakage. Looking back months from now, you will be amazed at the transformation that dedication and nutrition can achieve. Love your hair and treat it with the same care and attention you give to the rest of your body. Dr. Lee's protocols have helped thousands, and they can help you too if you commit to the process. Eggs for biotin, spinach for iron, salmon for omega-3 and vitamin D. A delicious prescription for beauty. Make these foods a centerpiece of your social gatherings, spreading health and wellness to those you love. Remember, hair health is a lagging indicator. It improves only after your internal health is fully optimized. If you see circular patches or sudden loss, see a dermatologist, as this may indicate a different medical condition. Walk with confidence knowing you are taking proactive steps to manage your aging process with grace and science. Your golden years should be a time of confidence and joy, not worry about physical changes. Pass on these healthy habits to younger generations, teaching them the value of nutrition early in life. Strong hair is elastic. It stretches without breaking, a sign that your protein and hydration levels are optimal. A clean, hydrated scalp without flakes is the fertile soil from which your new hair forest will grow. Stay hydrated, stay nourished, and stay patient. Your body is working miracles for you every single minute. Visualize the result you want. Imagine your hair 1 year from now, fuller, shinier, and healthier. Love the woman in the mirror and treat her with the kindness and nutrition she so richly deserves. Trust the process of absorption and delivery. Your body knows exactly where to send these vital nutrients. Keep that blood flowing with movement and massage, ensuring the delivery route is always open and efficient. Gentle exercises like Tai Chi can also reduce stress and improve balance, benefiting your overall health and hair. Make every meal an opportunity to fight hair loss, choosing ingredients that serve your restoration goals. Avoid smoking and secondhand smoke, as toxins constrict blood vessels and starve your hair of oxygen. End your day with a calming ritual, signaling to your body that it is time to rest and repair. Deep sleep is when the magic happens, so prioritize your rest as much as you prioritize your nutrition. Biotin, iron, vitamin D, omega-3. Keep these 4 guardians in your daily life for lasting hair health.
We are grateful for the science that allows us to understand and control our aging process effectively. Join the community of women who are taking control of their health and refusing to let age define them. Like a sprout breaking through the soil, your new hair represents resilience, life, and a fresh beginning. Embrace this journey with an open heart and a disciplined mind, and watch your body respond with gratitude. You are beautiful, you are strong, and with the right care, your hair can reflect that inner strength. Stay consistent, stay hopeful, and remember that every healthy choice is a vote for the person you want to be. We hope this guide serves as a roadmap for your restoration, bringing you confidence and health in equal measure. Thank you for trusting us with your time and attention. We are honored to be part of your wellness journey. Thank you for watching Live Well Insights. Please subscribe for more health wisdom and start your journey to better hair today.